Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E22. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay, tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and go to Loyalty. Select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland, and now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Save and it's done. Go back and now select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. In the end, let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Pay. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.